should have thought about this before I started cutting ham up, but anyway, we will continue. I've been cutting this ham up because I'm thinking about, one, I have to cut it up so I can preserve it because I don't have much room left in neither one of my deep freezers or my refrigerator. But if I cut it up, I can put it in smaller bags. What I'm going to do is this big chunk here with the big bone in it. I'm not going to be able to cut that all the way down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in my air fryer, not my air fryer, my Instant Pot. And I think I've already started hitting the bone. In my Instant Pot. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow all that good steam to take this meat right off this bone. So I can get to use every ounce of the meat off this ham. Now, I'm almost at a standstill now of what I can cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Instant Pot, add some water to it. I have a little stand that I can kind of sit the ham on and then steam it and allow the steam to break down the meat and make it nice and soft so it falls off the bone. I can discard the bone, or you can make a bone broth if you really got that kind of time. But I'm going to go ahead and prep that. I'm going to do, once I get all that meat done, I'll go ahead and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this ham yet. I'm thinking about either turn it into honey ham or something else, but I'm going to cook it first, probably either Instant Pot or I'll put it in the oven. I'll be back. Alrighty. This is where it's going to go, and then let it steam for about half hour to an hour. I'll check on it periodically to see, but usually it takes about 45 minutes to an hour before it gets nice and cooked and the meat falls off. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this good old ham that I've already pre-cut up, and I'm going to make a little honey ham. Good, I'm going to use this. With ham, you can never allow this to go to waste. I'm going to take my organic honey. This is about as simple as you can ever get. And you basically coat it down really nice. Now, honey has really good properties, and when Thanksgiving gets a little closer, I'll show you how you can make the perfect turkey without having that dry, tough breast. But if you're on the ham, we're gonna stick with the ham right now. You want to make sure the ham is well coated. All right, and then I'm going to put this in the oven, let it cook a little bit, and then I'm going to flip it over and cook the other side. And then we're going to have a taste test. Look at that goodness. Now look at it. Look at that. Okay, now we're about to do the final stage of what I call getting the glaze on. So I'm going to take some of these pieces, put it in the air fryer. This is already pretty much done. And I'm going to recoat it one last time and let it bake on it. Because the air fryer has a way to separate the fluid and stuff that's in the ham and drain it off. The honey is then going to be completely infused into this ham. It's going to be mouthwatering. Be back. Look at that, look at that, look at that. We're about to do a quick taste test. Look at that. Look at that deliciousness. I can only feel the stickiness of the honey. One word: delicious. Now I'm going to have to hide this because a particular person has already asked about it. Ooh, that's hot. But you can still taste the back end of the honey that this has been cooked in. And you can also marinate it in honey if you want a more richer taste. But this is nice. This is nice. I know it's not going to make it through the day. I was hoping it would. I'm going to cut it up and put it in a smaller container. Don't know why, because it ain't going to last. Okay. Take care, family. Bye.